Hey guys, Gary with RPM Diecast. Today we're doing a 2004 Mazda RX8 custom from Hot Wheels. It's the pullback, it's the 143 scale. Let's see if I can get a... it's got a wide body kit on it, it's really nice. It's part of this drift set. Now there is also a Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution that looks really nice too that I really want to get in this pullback set. Now, like I said before in my last video, these are meant more for the adult collectors. These are made more for kids, but for the price tag of 10 bucks, over 30, I think these are going to catch on and become the new standard almost, because like it's getting insane. And I get it, these don't have rubber wheels. The build quality on those ones is a little bit better, like I said before, but 10 bucks, man, you can't really go wrong. But yeah, let's go crack this open, get some close-ups, because this one's really nice. I'm really excited for this one. And then we'll come back after. That was a 2004 Mazda RX8 custom from Hot Wheels, the 143 scale. Now, for people who've been watching the channel for a while know that I started collecting Hot Wheels with wide body kits and flares. That's how I get started. So I love that this has a wide body kit on it. The color on it's really nice. You know, it's red. It's got pink, white, and black livery on it. It's just really nice. In these pullbacks, there is also a Lancer Evo that looks really sweet. I'm hoping to get my hands on one here soon. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, check out some of our other videos, and keep on collecting.